Okay, so guys, let's do another tutorial. This is a quick one. I saw this the other day. It's called Gemini API. It's on this IDX from Google. So yeah, previous tutorial I did a Flutter. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna explore this Gemini API and see how it works and what we can do with it. So start by installing it here. So let's just say Gemini app test. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna select anything here. I'm just gonna say create. Okay, so it's done setting up. We have a terminal here, and we're just gonna close the terminal. This is the code on the side. You can see it's index.html there, and then this is the preview on the right hand side, showing an image. You can select the image, and there's a prompt there. Provide a recipe for the baked goods in the image. Cool. So if you click here, I don't think it'll work. Yeah, there's an error here. What we need to do is get the API key on this link here. I'm gonna click on this link here to open a new tab. Okay, cool. So you're gonna come to this page, and then when you start, you're gonna say get an API key or click here. You're gonna click here, and then after that, it'll prompt you to create a API key. So I already created mine. Yeah, today. So I'm just gonna come here, get my API key, and just copy it. Once I'm done, just gonna come back here. Now that we have the API key, so we're gonna come here on this main.js, just paste it in here. Okay, cool. So just save it. Immediately after you save, you'll see that the instruction banner there disappears. And yeah, so that's it. So let's try and search this. So we're gonna select the cupcake, and then the prompt is already typed in there. So I'm gonna press go. It's generating the instructions. So yeah, that is instructions on how to bake a cupcake. Let's try something different here. So I'm just gonna go 1+1 and see what is the result. Okay, great. I like it. I like it. Let's try something different. Let's gonna go when are South African elections? Okay. Okay, it's not giving me the date of. Okay, let's just say. Okay, just saying this. They are scheduled for this year, but it's not giving us the specific date. Yeah, I guess we must use this with caution when you're gonna include this Gemini on your app. Okay, cool. Now that we tested that, let's try something different. Let's remove these three images up top here. So I'm gonna come to this div here. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this div here and then type a new div here. Just close it. Type an import. Yeah, input or type file. So that's the code there. And come to the main.js and make some edits here. Already created the code up front, so I'm just gonna come and edit this section here where we're uploading the image part here, and then also change this mime type to be image file dot type. Okay, great. And then we need to include a function for all of this. Oh, I guess yeah. So that's the function for that removes the API key once you insert it in there. Cool. Cool. So basically, this file, what this function does, it just reads the location of the uploaded email. Great, cool. So let's test this code out. I downloaded a couple of images. One is a car. Another one is it's a cake. Another one is kimchi. So let's start with this one. I also did not label it what they are, so I just went with generic images. So this one I think is the cake. Let's go see what it is. Okay, so that is the carrot cake image that I uploaded here. You can see that. Cool. So it's giving you instructions of the cake. Let's try another image here. So I'm gonna try this one. So this is a blue Honda. So let's try this image here. Let's remove the prompt. See what it will give us if we just press go without typing anything. So it gives us the 2019 Honda Civic. There it gives us the information of that car. Okay. Car is car. Okay, so yeah, the car is blue. Great. Yeah, so that is the app, guys. That's how you can edit Gemini API for your web app. Give me a shout if you need any Flutter development for your Figma app. If you want to convert your Figma app into Flutter, just give me a shout. Here's my Fiverr